In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload XLS files into Canva. If you work with spreadsheets and want to turn your data into clean visuals, this walkthrough will show you how to bring an XLS file into Canva and use it in your design, whether you're making charts, tables, or a polished report. Start by opening Canva in your browser. A stable connection helps because you'll be transferring a file and waiting for it to process. Once Canva is open, head into a design. You can open an existing project if you're updating a report or presentation, or create a new design by choosing a template size that fits your goal, like a presentation slide, a social graphic, or a custom-sized document. Having your design open first makes it easy to drop your data right where you need it. Look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Uploads tab. This panel is where all your imported files live, including images, videos, and in this case, your spreadsheet. Click Uploads, then click the Upload Files button. Your computer's file picker will open and you can navigate to your XLS file. Select it and confirm. Canva will begin processing the spreadsheet. This may take a moment, especially if the file is large or includes many columns. While you wait, a progress indicator may appear. For the best results later, make sure your spreadsheet has clear column headers on the first row and consistent data types in each column. That helps Canva read and map your data correctly. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the file in your Uploads panel. Click on it to add its data to your design. If you already have a chart or table selected on your canvas, Canva will use your uploaded data to populate it. If not, Canva can place the data into your design so you can immediately visualize it in a table or connect it to a chart element. This is where your spreadsheet turns into something visual and easy to read. Now refine the look, adjust the layout so everything is aligned and readable. Tweak colors to match your brand or template, and choose fonts that are legible at the size you'll present or share. For charts, consider simplifying labels, using contrasting colors for clarity, and keeping titles descriptive. For tables, use consistent cell padding, bold headers, and alternating row colors to make the data easier to scan. If anything looks off, return to your design elements and adjust spacing, sizes, or styles until the data is both accurate and visually balanced. And that's it. That's how you upload XLS files in Canva. Thanks for watching.